Hi, hello, this is Esther, Faculty of English. Today we are discussing about articles, uses of articles. Let us discuss about first what is an article. Articles A and the determiners are noun markers that function to specify if the noun is general or specific in its reference. Often the article chosen depends on if the writer and the reader understand the reference of the noun. The articles a and an are indefinite articles. They are used with a singular countable noun when the noun referred to is non-specific or generic. The article is a definite article. It is used to show specific reference and can be used with both singular and plural nouns and with both countable and uncountable nouns. Many languages do not use articles a and the, or if they do exist, the way they are used may be different than in English. Multilingual writers often find article usage to be one of the most difficult concepts to learn. Although there are some rules about article usage to help, there are also quite a few exceptions. Therefore, learning to use articles accurately takes a long time. To master article usage, it is necessary to do a great deal of reading. Notice how articles are used in published text and take notes that can apply back to your own writing. A few important definitions to keep in mind, right? Okay, countable noun. Okay, countable noun. The noun has both a singular and plural form. The plural is usually formed by adding an s or an es to the end of it. One horse, two horses, one child, two childs. Okay, countable nouns may also have irregular plural forms. Many of these forms come from earlier forms of English. One child, two children, one mouse, two mice. Okay. Uncountable noun. The noun refers to something that cannot be counted. It does not have a plural form. Information, grammar. Okay, proper noun, the name of a person, place, or organization, and is spelled with capital letters. Tim Smith. Okay, MC Donald's. Okay, the McDonald's. Please. Okay, see and observe this. Okay, here proper noun, the name of a person, place, or organization, and it is spelled with capital letters. Okay, McDonald, Tim Smith. T is capital letters. Now let us discuss about first one is a or an. When to use a or an, a and an are used with singular countable nouns when the noun is non-specific or generic. I do not own a car. In this sentence, car is a singular countable noun that is not specific. It could be any car. Okay, she would like to go to a university that specializes in teaching. University is a singular countable noun, although it begins with a vowel. The first sound of the word is j or y. Thus, instead of an is used in this sentence, it is also generic. It could be any university with this specialization, not a specific one. Okay, I would like to eat an apple. In this sentence, apple is a singular countable noun that is not specific. It could be any apple. A is used when the noun that follows begins with a consonant sound. A book, a pen, a uniform. Uniform starts with a vowel, but the first sound is j or y sound. Therefore, instead of an is used here, an is used when the noun that follows with a vowel sound. An elephant, an American, an MBA. Not that MBA starts with a consonants, but the first sound is a short a sound. Okay, therefore, and instead of this sound, instead of a is used here. Sometimes a, or, and can be used for first mention. The first time the noun is mentioned, then in subsequent sentences the article the is used instead. He would like to live in a large house. The house should have at least 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. In the first sentence, first mention, a is used because it is referring to a non-specified house. In the second sentence, the is used because now the house has been specified. The next one, the when to use the is used, like the is used with both singular and plural nouns and with both countable and uncountable nouns. When the noun is specific, the book that I read last night was great. In this sentence, book is singular countable noun. It is also specific because of the phrase that I read last night. The writer and reader or speaker or listener now which book is being referred to. The books assigned for this class are very useful. In this sentence, the books is a plural countable noun. It is also specific because of the phrase for this class, the writer and reader or speaker or listener now which books are being referred to. The advice you gave me was very helpful. In the sentence, advice is an uncountable noun. However, it is specific because of the phrase you gave me. It is clear which piece of advice was helpful. Here, specific some more examples, rules I will tell. They is used in the following categories of proper nouns: museums and our galleries, okay, and buildings, seas and oceans, rivers, and deserts, periods and events in the history, bridges, parts of country, the south, the upper midwest, okay, buildings aithe the Empire State Building, the Willis Towers, okay, and seas, the Atlantic Ocean, rivers, the Nile, Mississippi, the Mississippi, deserts, the Sahara Desert, the okay, Sonora Desert, okay, bridges at the London Bridge, okay, museums at the Walker Art Center, okay, ఇలాంటివన్నీ కూడా మనము ది యూజ్డ్ some categories belongs to the used parts of country, the south, the upper midwest, ఇలాంటివి యూస్ చేస్తాం. ఇన్ జనరల్ యూస్ ద విత్ ప్లూరల్ ప్రాపర్ నౌన్స్, ద గ్రీక్ లేక్స్, the French, okay, the Rockies as the Rocky Mountains, okay, ఇలాంటివన్నీ కూడా మనము యూస్ చేస్తాం. The is often used with the proper nouns that include an of phrase, the United States of America, next the University of Minnesota, the International Swimming Hall of Fame. Use the when the noun being referred to is unique because of our understanding of the world. The earth moves around the sun, walls hole at the moon. Use the when a noun can be made specific from a previous mention in the text. This is also known as a second or subsequent mention, right? My son bought a cat. I am looking after the cat while he is on vacation. I read a good book, okay na? The book was about how to use articles correctly in English. The is used with superlative adjectives which are necessarily unique: the first, the second, the biggest, the smallest, the next, the only, etc. It was the first study to address the issue. She was the weakest participant. He was the only person to drop out of the study. Here, by Bieber et al. 1999 found that the about the is about twice is common as a or an in academic writing. This may be because writers at the level often focus on overall ideas and categories, okay, and specific references, definite reference the article the, okay, right. ఇలా కొంతమంది దీని గురించి అలా మనకి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశారు. ది అనేటువంటిది వీటి మీద ఉంది. బీబర్డీ కానీ, జాన్సన్ కానీ, లీచ్ కానీ, కోనార్డ్ కానీ వీళ్ళందరూ కూడా రిఫర్ చేశారు. అలాగే నో ఆర్టికల్ లేనటువంటివి కూడా ఉన్నాయి. అది జనరిక్ రిఫరెన్స్. రైటర్స్ సమ్టైమ్స్ స్ట్రగుల్ విత్ ద చాయిస్ టు ఇంక్లూడ్ an article or leave into the all together. Keep in mind that if the noun is singular, countable and non-specific or generic, example book, author, the articles a and an may be used. However, if the noun is countable and plural, research studies are uncountable information, right? Example, and it is being used in a non-specific or generic way. No article is used. Here are some more specific. No article is used when a plural countable noun is generic or non-specific. I bought new pens and pencils at the store. General, not specific ones. Cats have big eyes that can see in the dark. Cats in general, all of them. Babies cry a lot. Babies in general, all of them. No article is used when a non-count noun is generic or non-specific. I bought milk and rice at the store. Generic reference. We were assigned homework in this class. Generic reference. There has been previous research on the topic. Generic reference. So ila articles and phrases kuda sometimes articles uses in English does not follow a specific rule. These expressions must be memorized. Instead, here are some examples of phrases where articles uses is not predictable. Okay, destinations: go to the store, go to the bank, but go to the school, go to church, go to bed, go home. Locations: in school, at home, in bed, but in the hospital. In American English. Okay, parts of the day: in the morning, in the evening, but at night. Chores: mow the lawn, do the dishes, do the cleaning. There are also numerous idiomatic expressions in English that contains nouns. Some of these also contain articles while others do not. Here are just a few examples to give some a hand in the end to be on time. ఇక్కడ మనము ఆర్టికల్స్లో మనము ఏ అండ్ ది అనేటువంటిది డెఫినెట్ ఇండెఫినెట్ ఆర్టికల్స్లో మనము ఏదైతే సపరేట్గా ఉందో ఏ అనేది యాన్ అనేది ఎక్కడెక్కడ యూస్ చేస్తామో మనం చూసుకున్నాము. ది అనేటువంటిది యూనివర్సల్ ట్రూత్స్కి యూనిక్గా ఉండే సిమిలర్గా ఉండేటువంటి వాటికి అవి కూడా మనము చూసుకున్నాం అనమాట. ఇలా మనము డెఫినెట్ ఆర్టికల్ ఇండెఫినెట్ ఆర్టికల్ రెండు రకాలుగా ఉంటుంది యూసెస్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్టికల్స్లో. ఇది మనము చక్కగా మనం ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్తో మనం అండర్స్టాండ్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తే ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే అండి, ఈ యొక్క వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అండి.